Hello kids, how are you all? Happy to see you all today. After a long gap we are meeting, isn't it? Yes, in today's class you are going to learn in English the letters H and I, and you are going to learn the rhymes Incy Wincy Spider, and then we are going to learn how to complete the worksheet. Are you all ready for the class? Come on, let's enjoy the class today. In last class you have learned the letter F and G. Now we are going to learn the letter H. The letter H. So see here, this is capital letter H. This is the capital letter H and this is your small letter H. Okay. So see here, they have given many pictures which starts with the letter H. You all know what picture is this. Guess what picture is this? We all live in this, isn't it? So this is a house. House. Okay. What is the sound of H? Do you know the sound of H? It's H. H. Okay. So house. See here, what animal is this? This is a hippopotamus. Okay. Hippopotamus. Okay. It lives in water and in land. It's hippopotamus. See what picture is this? This is a hat. Hat. In summertime, we wear this hat to go out. Okay. This is a hat. Hat. What is this? This is honey. Honey. Have you tasted honey? It is sweet in taste, very sweet, isn't it? Yes, it's a honey. What picture is this? This is a hen. Hen. Okay. Now this page we'll complete it in the Zoom class. Okay. So the next letter is the letter I. This is the letter I. This is capital letter I and this is small letter I. Now we are going to see some words that starts with the letter I. What is this? This is an ink pot. This is an ink pot. Okay. We'll use ink in the pen to write. Okay. This is an ink pot. What is this? This is an insect. This is an insect. And what is this? This is an igloo. This is an igloo. Now see, you all love this, isn't it? What is this? Ice cream. What is this? Ice cream. This also starts with the letter I. Okay, so here they have given 4 pictures. Okay, ink pot, insect, igloo, ice cream. You know what is the sound of the letter I? It sounds E. E. Okay. So, we'll complete this book exercise in the Zoom class. Okay. Now, we are going to complete English worksheet. Okay. So, shall we read the heading now? Roman number 1. Match the capital letters to small letters. Match the capital letters to small letters. So, this side, after the numbers, they have given the capital letters this side and that side they have given the small letters. Now we are going to match the letters. Okay. See what letter is this? Identify what letter is this. This is capital letter H. And that side you have to find where is small letter H. Shall we see? See here. Where is small letter H? Yes, it's here. So now take the pencil. Keep the pencil in capital letter H. And you are going to draw a straight line like this. So this is from capital letter H, you are going to match to small letter H. Okay. Now see the next letter. This is capital letter J and you are going to match with the small letter J given there. Okay, that side. So this is small letter J. Okay, next thing we can complete it in the Zoom class. Okay. Now the next page, Roman number 2. Underline the correct word to the picture. Underline the correct word to the picture. So here they have given some pictures and down they are given two words. You have to find the correct word and underline the correct word to the picture. Okay, see what picture is this? This is honey. Honey starts with the letter H. Okay, see where is letter H? It is not this word. Okay, so this one. So you are going to underline the word honey. Like this, you have to underline. Okay, next things we can complete it in the Zoom class. Okay, Roman number 3, trace the letters. Trace the letters. So, small letter A, small letter O, small letter U, small letter V. We are going to trace it now. They have given in the dotted lines. You have to hold the pencil correctly and trace on the dotted lines. So, find out what letter is this? This is small letter A. Next one, small letter O. Small letter U. And small letter V. Okay, next things we can complete it in the Zoom class. So now we are going to learn the rhymes Incy Wincy Spider. Come on, sing along with me.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
Shall we repeat it once again? Yes, come on, sing again once.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
In Max, you are going to learn long and short, and you are going to learn how to order the numbers, that is ordering the numbers, and you are going to learn how to complete the Max worksheet. Come on, let's get into the class. You are going to see long and short. See here, Ria has long hair, Sia has short hair. So this is long and this is short. Okay, now shall we complete the exercise now? Tick the long objects and cross the short ones. This is a tie. Who will wear tie in your home? Your father will wear tie in your home. Now see which is the short tie and which is the long tie. You have to find it. So this one is the long one. So you have to put a tick mark like this. Okay. Now we told you to cross the short one. So this is short one, no? So you have to cross like this. Okay, so this is long and this is short. See here, this is long and this is short. But this exercise will complete it in the Zoom. Okay. Now you are going to see ordering numbers. Ordering numbers is nothing but missing numbers. They have given a new name for it. Okay. Missing numbers is ordering numbers. Okay. Fill in the missing numbers and color the pumpkins. One has been done for you. So what vegetable is this? Do you know? This is a pumpkin. Okay, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have given 5 pumpkins. But here they have given number 1, 2. The middle numbers are missing here. 5 they have given. So what number should come after 2? You all know, isn't it? So you are going to write number 3 inside the pumpkin like this. The next number is number 4. Right inside the pumpkin. Next you are going to color the pumpkins. Okay. Color the pumpkins like this. Okay. Like this you are going to color the 5 pumpkins. You are going to fill the missing number and color the pumpkins. Okay. Like this. Okay. So we have finished this. Okay. So next things we can complete it in the Zoom. This is your Maths worksheet number 2. Roman number 1, count and circle. Count and circle. So here they have given pictures and that side they have given 3 numbers of the pictures. Okay. So you are going to find out the correct number and you are going to circle. Shall we find it and circle? 5, 4 and 2. So this is the correct answer. We are going to circle 2. Okay. So next things we can complete it in the Zoom class. The next page, Roman number 2, circle the short object. So here they have given scales. Okay. One is short and one is long. So you are going to find out which is short scale and you are going to circle. So this is the short scale here. So circle it like this. Okay. Next thing we can complete it in the Zoom class. Roman number 3, circle the long object. Okay. Here they have given pencil. So this pencil is long. Okay. So you are going to circle it. Okay. So next thing we can complete it in the Zoom class. Tracing. Next Roman number is tracing. They have given number 3. Okay. So you are going to trace it. Okay. Hold the pencil properly and trace number 3 like this. Okay, you have to trace like this. Okay, next things we can complete it in the Zoom. Hope you have enjoyed the class. Meet you in the next session with more interesting segments. Bye, take care.